Hey kids! Ready to have some fun with science? I'm so excited to show you some awesome experiments today. We're going to be real scientists and explore the coolest things like making stuff erupt, change colors, and even fly. And guess what? You can do all of these experiments at home with just a few simple things you probably already have. We're going to make a volcano erupt with baking soda, create a rainbow in a glass, write secret messages with invisible ink, and even make our own gooey slime. So put on your scientist goggles, grab your lab coats, or just your favorite t-shirt, and get ready for some science fun. Let's get started. Have you ever seen a real volcano erupt? It's like a giant mountain blowing its top. We're going to make our own mini volcano right here. First, we'll build a volcano shape around this plastic cup using Play-Doh. We'll make it nice and tall, just like a real volcano. Now for the fun part. We're going to mix some baking soda, red food coloring, and dish soap in the cup. Then, when we pour in some vinegar, get ready for an eruption. Whoa, look at that bubbly lava flow. Rainbows are so beautiful, aren't they? They have so many colors all lined up like magic. And guess what? We can make our own rainbow in a glass. We're going to carefully pour different colored water into the glass, starting with red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and finally violet. Look, the colors are staying separate and making a rainbow right in front of our eyes. That's because the sugar we added to the water makes each color a little bit denser. Science is so cool. Have you ever wanted to write a secret message that only your friends can read? Well, now you can, with invisible ink. All you need is some lemon juice and a paintbrush. Dip the brush in the lemon juice and write your secret message on this piece of paper. Let it dry completely. Now to reveal the message, we're going to gently heat the paper with this iron. Look, the heat makes the lemon juice turn brown, and our secret message appears. It's like magic. Who doesn't love slime? It's so gooey, stretchy, and fun to play with. And the best part is, we can make our own. We're going to mix some glue, borax solution, and food coloring in this bowl. You can choose any color you want. Mix it all up until it starts to get thick and gooey. Now you can take it out and start playing with it. Stretch it, squish it, poke it. It's so much fun. Get ready to see some raisins dance. First, we'll drop a few raisins into a glass of clear soda. Watch what happens. See how the raisins start to float up and down? That's because the bubbles in the soda are sticking to the raisins, making them buoyant. When the bubbles pop at the top, the raisins sink back down. It's like a little dance party in a glass. We're going to make milk look super cool with this experiment. Pour some milk into a shallow dish. Then add a few drops of different food coloring near the center of the milk. Now for the magic ingredient. Dip a cotton swab into some dish soap and touch it to the center of the milk. Whoa! Look at the colors explode and swirl around. The soap breaks down the fat in the milk, causing the colors to mix and create amazing patterns. It's like a work of art right before our eyes. Have you ever wanted to launch a rocket into space? Well, we can't go to space today, but we can build our own balloon rocket. We're going to thread a straw through a piece of string and then tape the string across the room. Next, we'll blow up a balloon and tape it to the straw. Now let go of the balloon and watch it zoom across the string. The air rushing out of the balloon creates thrust, propelling the rocket forward. It's so cool. Did you know that you can use static electricity to make things move? We're going to make a paper butterfly come to life with static electricity. First, cut out a butterfly shape from a piece of paper. Then, rub a balloon on your hair to create static electricity. Now hold the balloon close to the butterfly and watch it flutter and move. The static electricity from the balloon attracts the butterfly, making it move without even touching it. Lava lamps are so mesmerizing to watch, with their colorful blobs slowly moving up and down. And guess what? We can make our own. Fill a tall glass or bottle with vegetable oil. Then, add some water and a few drops of food coloring. Now break an antacid tablet into pieces and drop them into the bottle. Watch as the tablet creates bubbles that carry the colored water up and down, just like a real lava lamp. Can you fit an egg into a bottle without breaking it? It seems impossible, but with a little science, we can do it. We're going to carefully place a peeled, hard-boiled egg on the top of a glass bottle. The egg is too big to fit through the opening, right? Now watch this. We're going to drop a burning piece of paper into the bottle, and as the flame goes out, the egg will get sucked right into the bottle. The heat from the flame changes the air pressure inside the bottle, creating a vacuum that pulls the egg in. Science is so cool. Thanks for joining me on this awesome science adventure today. We had so much fun making volcanoes erupt, rainbows appear, and slime get gooey. Remember, science is everywhere, and it's all around us. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep having fun with science. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun science experiments. Subscribe to my channel for more fun videos, and share these experiments with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!